आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूं किस तरीके से एक प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिंग कंट्रोल स्किल सेट को इंजीनियर्स अपने लिए एक जॉब कैरियर का हिस्सा बना सकते हैं। सो इस वीडियो के अंदर एक कवर करेंगे कि एक सिंपल से प्रोजेक्ट को डॉक्यूमेंट से हम किस तरह से कन्वर्ट करेंगे, क्लाइंट किस तरीके से आपसे इंफॉर्मेशन मांगता है एंड किस तरीके से आपने इस इंफॉर्मेशन को प्राइमेरा P6 के अंदर इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है, उसके बेनिफिट्स क्या होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से इस जॉब कैरियर की सैलरी बहुत ज्यादा होती है, ग्लोबल रिकॉग्निशन है। Either you move to America, UK, Canada, Australia, Gulf region, everywhere these people are most demanding. So let's start. I'm going to share with you a simple document जिसके अंदर आपको सारी इंफॉर्मेशन एक रिटन फॉर्मेट के अंदर लिखी होती है। देखें, ये अबू धाबी का एडनॉक का एक प्रोजेक्ट है एंड यू कैन सी दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ आर्टिकल्स रिटन ओवर हियर as an instruction to proceed with your project, and you can see here that project details, that this project is going to start from this date, is going to end on this date, total duration, ये आपके जो भी मशीनरी लेबर यूनिट्स जो ह्यूमन मैन पावर है दैट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर 33,880 मैन आवर्स फॉर बजटेड लेबर यूनिट्स, और ये मशीनरी के मैन आवर्स है एंड दिस इज टोटल अमाउंट एस्टिमेटेड। सो ये सारी चीजें हमारे प्रोजेक्ट प्लानिंग के इनिशिएट फेज के अंदर क्लाइंट इज गोइंग टू सिट विद योर कंसल्टेंट and they are going to estimate all these things. These are the milestones or constraints कि हमारे इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर ये चीजें होंगी और इस तरीके से आपने प्लानिंग करनी है। And further move to the scope of work is everything will be written there, because आपको पता है एक प्लानिंग इंजीनियर के तौर पे जब आपने काम करना है, the first thing will come up on your line of action is scope management, and then payment methods, that how you are getting paid, कंट्रैक्टर या सर्विस कंपनी की बात की जा रही है, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट रिपोर्टिंग, कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, लायबिलिटी, टर्मिनेशन, गवर्निंग लॉ, एंटायर एग्रीमेंट, एंड देन द मेजर थिंग फॉर यू पीपल एज अ प्लानिंग इंजीनियर के प्लानिंग पैकेज को किस तरीके से आपने बनाना है, क्लाइंट इज गोइंग टू इंस्ट्रक्ट यू। ओके, सो ये सारी चीजें, ये देखें एस कर्व कैसे बनेगा, रिसोर्स लोडेड प्रोग्राम किस तरीके से होता है, compliance and reporting कैसे होगी, so everything is written there. So I'm going to share with you Primavera P6 now. So ये scope of work I have already added in my Primavera P6. Okay, now I will guide you people कि सबसे पहले आपने अपने different तरह के माइलस्टोन्स, वर्क पैकेजेस, डिलीवरेबल्स, WBS बनाने होते हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट को देखते हुए, एंड एट एवरी स्टेज यू हैव टू सिट विद योर क्लाइंट, यू हैव टू सिट विद योर कंसल्टेंट, you have to conduct your meetings whenever you are going to make planning and control schedules, so that you can have clarity कि आपको डबल काम ना करना पड़े। ये मैंने बना लिया। अब it looks not nice, you know, everything is starting from a point and getting end to another point. So there is a very magical thing in Primavera P6 which we learn, that how to make these things in very sequential way. So I have already incorporated everything in very sequence, but to just show you people that how important it is and how magical it will look like when you will have scope like this way, because this is a requirement of your client, that your every phase should be labeled as a level, because these are the major levels: design, procurement, construction, and under this. And you can first you have to incorporate WBS, then you have to incorporate activities in sequence, then you have to make a relationship of your activities. You can see on this side that this is your CPM. Okay, every bar is showing single activity and every arrow is showing the relationship with another activity. We are going to make activity network diagram and then allowing Primavera P6 to allow to make schedule of our this project to develop CPM, and then we are going to allocate single resources to each and every activity. See, you can see over here there are resources, and if I click civil items, mechanical items, every single activity is carrying with our assigned resources. Okay, now we will talk about the instructed lines from our client, that how to incorporate all those man hours. So here I'm going to shift my layout from this to, see this one, I will be opening over here, and here we are having, because at every single resource we have taken care about this thing, how many man hours we require, labor units, non-labor units, and ultimately it's going to give us 33,880 man hours and 2,720 man hours. Total man budgeted cost is 24. So the total duration 170, and project start finish date is already there. You can see that everything is correlated. Okay, see, everything is correlated. And now the prime requirement from our client is to develop our S curves. So for S curves, we have to go into this feature, activity usage profile. See, this is the S curve. Now this is the later on discussion that it is front loaded, back loaded. So how to develop your project schedule is the most important thing. You have to develop your management strategy. The first thing I recommend people, you have to understand these things, management concepts, how to make time management, cost management, resource management. There is a strategy, there is no formula, there is a strategy. Always you have to see on available conditions, your requirement for a client, and then your development cycle. Okay, what, how you are going to take your construction methodology, and then application software like Primavera P6, and then the document I have opened for you people, contract and agreement. These are the four most important parameters you have to incorporate in your profile as a planning engineer. So I'm offering a very exclusive, very handy training to all those people who are looking forward their job career in any country, construction industry, oil and gas industry. Join my 1 month session and lifetime feedback and feedback guarantee if you are not satisfied with my training. So this is for you people. Join my upcoming session. See you. Thank you very much.